Every year, Samsung launches limited edition versions of its smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. This year, the company unveiled the Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW M Edition in South Korea. This version of the smartphone is a little pricey compared to the standard version. The Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW M Edition is priced at 1,727,000 South Korean won, around 1,373 in South Korea. You can order it until February 13, and only 1,000 units of this version of the smartphone are available. The Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW M Edition comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. Since it is inspired by the iconic BMW M3 E30 car, it comes bundled with a hard case that has the G80's hood design and the kidney grille. The phone comes bundled with 6 emblems, illustrating various eras of BMW performance cars. In addition, there's a BMW roundel that was introduced last year to celebrate BMW's 50 years of inception. The phone itself has a BMW-inspired boot animation, and all of this is packed in a neat box that is inspired by the original BMW M3 car. Other goodies include a small air compressor, an analog watch, a sunglass holder, a poster, a photo book, a keyring, and the We Are M metal logo. Lucky buyers will also get a starter pack voucher for the BMW Driving Center located in Incheon in South Korea. In this driving center, a trained instructor will offer useful tips to become a better driver. What do you think about this beast? That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Comment below, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.